Tired of chronic dry eyes? Say hello to CorneaCare Rest, the revolutionary self-heating warm compress designed for instant, soothing relief. No more struggling with microwaves or messy washcloths. These innovative eye masks activate instantly, delivering consistent, therapeutic warmth wherever you are. Imagine getting fast, clean relief for dryness, irritation, redness, burning, and even blurry vision with zero hassle. CorneaCare Rest tackles a whole host of issues, from itching and puffiness to crusting eyelashes, making it the perfect eye compress for dry eyes. This isn't just any heated eye mask. Its unique blend of purified water, activated charcoal, and minerals provides safe, consistent heat you can trust. Developed by leading eye doctors and backed by scientific research, you can feel confident you're using an expert-approved solution for your eye health. As a bonus, the gentle warmth also hydrates and softens the delicate skin around your eyes, leaving you looking refreshed and radiant. Simply place it over your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes daily. It's that easy to integrate into your self-care routine. Ready to experience this incredible difference? Check out the CorneaCare Rest Warm Compress on Amazon today, using the link in our description to finally get the dry eye relief you deserve. For truly effective, convenient, and soothing eye care, CorneaCare Rest is our top recommendation for anyone suffering from dry eyes in 2025.